I think the role of a good investor is to take a riskier approach of finding a trend before it becomes a trend and maximizing the potential returns on this. My name is Tatjana de Kerros. I'm head of corporate venturing at Curated. I'm a board member at SICTIC, and I am part of a number of other initiatives in Switzerland, including InnoSuisse, Bilan Top 50 Startups, and Venture Lab. So my personal mission is to help build an ecosystem which is resilient in 10 years, where we create world-class startups, attract world-class investors, and really boost our economy for the next 10 to 15 years to come. It's a big mission, but I'm sure I'm not the only one. So it's probably important to note at this stage that I invest primarily in pre-seed and seed startups. So super early stage, super risky. So you have to play a lot on gut feeling. And I have a strong belief that at the end of the day, teams are absolutely key. And I look for a good feedback culture, a good ability to take in feedback, to digest it. I don't want somebody who's a yes man, but a feedback culture, a drive, a hustle, because at the end of the day, with a super early stage startup, the team isn't going to change, but the business model will probably not be what you're investing in 18 months down the line. So the team is the most important thing, and a hunger to succeed and to grow. Speed is absolutely critical. It should not impact, of course, on proper due diligence, on doing things the proper way, but A, you risk losing out if you take too much time. B, time is money for entrepreneurs. They don't have 6 to 12 months to negotiate over a term sheet, and reputation matters. And these are all small things which I think are absolutely critical learnings. Liechtenstein has something that Switzerland doesn't have, and it is a legal structure which is much more positive for venture capital funds and for foreign investors. In Switzerland, this is one of our main problems with the nascent VC industry, is that we don't actually have a legal establishment and regulatory form for venture capital funds. I think the role of a good investor is to take a riskier approach of finding a trend before it becomes a trend and maximizing the potential returns on this. I think various forms of insurtech around contracting and payments, for example, value-based contracting within pharmaceutical and insurance companies, is going to be something which comes out. Data-driven services, again, within the insurance sector, which relates to fintech. So my highlight today is seeing the two ecosystems come together. We have Switzerland, which attracts a lot of new innovations in blockchain, fintech, a lot of startups across numerous technologies. And then we have Liechtenstein, which is a much smaller country, however, with great capital, both human and financial. And it opens the opportunity for investors to spread our regional reach, to learn about the strategies that we use to actually promote and grow both our economies together rather than apart.
Thank you very much for watching this video, and I really hope that you were able to learn two things. Number one, how investors look at startups, and number two, the investor's perspective on the next 10 years in venture capital. And there's a few more videos within this video series, but there's a lot of more videos all about startups and venture capital on my channel. Make sure you go and have a look and watch another video. Thank you so much, and I would appreciate if you subscribe to my channel. Have a great day.